Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be reviewing a synthetic wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Wig is from Sensational, Kinky Edges. I love the color, and this is the body is given. Here's how the hairline looks, fresh out of the box, pre-plucked. It's a 13 by 6, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back with elastic band and adjustable straps to wear it glueless. The texture feels like kinky / yucky. This is about to eat. I love the highlights. Brown with the blonde is given. This is the color Mocha.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speed. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
when you make